Let's talk about that feeling, that deep sigh of relief you get the second you walk through your front door. We're going to dive into what it really takes to create a home that doesn't just look good, but one that actually feels like you.
You know exactly the feeling I'm talking about, right? You step inside someone's place, and there's just this immediate sense of calm. It's like you can finally, truly take a deep breath.
And here's the thing, it's almost never because the house is huge or because everything is super expensive. It's something else, something deeper.
It's that feeling when everything just clicks. It feels intentional, cozy, and personal. It just feels right. But how do you actually create that feeling in your own space?
Well, the secret isn't some massive, dramatic overhaul. As we're about to see, that incredible sense of comfort is almost always hiding in the small, thoughtfully chosen details.
Yeah, it's about those little things that catch your eye. A happy little plant by the window, the unique texture of a handmade pot, or just a quiet corner that basically invites you to stop, take a breath, and just be. These are the things that build a feeling, not just a room.
And here's what's so interesting. There's this huge myth that creating this kind of atmosphere has to cost a fortune. But the real truth? It absolutely doesn't.
So, this is the main takeaway right here. The real barrier to a home you love isn't the number in your bank account. It's about shifting your perspective and focusing on the choices you make.
And look, we hear these things all the time. People saying their home feels like it's missing something, that it's lifeless. Or they've bought tons of stuff, but it just feels empty. And always that fear that doing anything about it will be way too expensive. Which of course leads to the biggest hurdle of them all. I'll do it later. That idea that you'll finally tackle it someday, when you have a bigger budget. But that someday has a funny way of never showing up.
But what if you didn't have to wait for someday? Because the solution is so much simpler than you think. Let's talk about the incredible power of just one single piece and how it can change everything. No, I'm serious. Sometimes that's all it is. It's not about filling your home with more things. It's about finding that one thing that brings you joy, that adds some soul, and makes the space feel just a little more like you. Take this gorgeous ceramic pot, for example. For Haley, it wasn't just a pot. She said it was super cute and very nice quality. It's a simple, beautiful object that made a real impact and added personality to her home.
Or look at this woven seagrass basket. That natural texture instantly adds so much warmth. Maria was really very satisfied. It wasn't some huge, life-altering purchase. It was just a simple piece that brought satisfaction. And that's it. That's how you build a home you love, one satisfying piece at a time.
And hey, it can be something as small as the mug you grab for your coffee every morning, a unique, handmade piece that just feels good to hold. Mallory said she loves it. That little daily moment of joy, that is what it's all about.
So why do these little things have such a massive impact? It's not magic, I promise. There are actually some really simple principles at play here. You could almost call it the science of cozy.
It kind of breaks down like this. Plants literally bring life into a room and soften all the hard edges. Natural materials like wood or wicker, they connect us to the outdoors and just feel warm. And handmade items, they carry a story, an emotion that a mass-produced thing just never can.
And this, right here, is the ultimate goal, to create a space that pulls you in, that makes you want to be there. It's not about impressing anyone. It's about building a sanctuary for yourself, where it just feels good to live.
Now, if all this has you feeling a little bit inspired to make a small change of your own, there is a really, really great opportunity coming up to do just that.
Think of this as your chance, an opportunity to finally find that one small piece that could start to shift the entire feeling of your space. And to help you take that first step, we're doing something special. We're offering up to 50% off on a whole collection of items that were specifically chosen to bring that warmth and comfort into your home. And the sale includes exactly the kind of stuff we've been talking about: beautiful handmade pots, decor made from natural materials, and all sorts of other accessories to add that perfect cozy touch.
We're really proud of the space we've built at DH Garden Center, and we just love hearing from customers like Livy, who said she found her new favorite plant shop. We're here to help you do the exact same thing.
So, as we wrap things up, I just want to leave you with this one last thought. Please, don't feel overwhelmed. You don't need to do a full renovation. Just start with one corner, one shelf. Find one thing that's going to make you smile.
So, what small corner in your home could use a little more joy? We invite you to come and find it during the Boxing Day sale at DH Garden Center.